Thank you very much for arresting that stupid Nebechi who was claiming supremacy over us all. Now that Nebechi is gone, I think I'll be the next in line to be the chief maid. But what I'm saying, Omar, I think the queen will want to make her the chief maid.
Is that why you are scared? Don't bother yourself. I'll make you the chief maid.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Were you able to convince Afama to sleep with me?
I am still trying, but she's claiming holier than thou.
Hope she doesn't know about us.
She must have a little insight since I'm talking to her about you.
Okay, don't worry yourself. Hurry up and vacate this place before the queen and her son comes in. Hi.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Onyemechi, to make you cool, make you cool. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince, you the boss now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you don't slap, you can punch you. Every day palava. Now which kind prince be this?
No, let me see, officer, wait. All of us are colleagues. I'm the security here.
I want to see the king.
Okay.
Call me the king.
Okay. Say me you call king. Obi Agabu. They say call king. This way.
Officers, I hope there is no problem.
Your attention is needed at the station for questioning.
My attention is needed at your station?
Yes.
It's all right. Go. I will be coming.
No, Your Majesty. Your attention is needed urgently at the station. Like it is right now. We need your attention now.
Hi. What to say everywhere soft now? This is not small thing. I could just use one call. I could just place one call.
Pagabooz.
You don't be saying this thing seriously.
But wait, all of my deal here, they just come pick Igwe like this.
And that one for you to understand.
You
when everywhere is soft.
You're not there, not you be guard.
And they check my motor.
Hey, shut.
Why is the gate wide open?
Your Majesty, an uncommon thing just happened. An abomination.
I bet you shut up before you use grammar spoil everything. Eh? To say everywhere soft, not be one call I go make, they go know what happen. See, madam, something very.
What is wrong with all of you? Yes? Will you let the cat out of the bag? So okay, so we know what is wrong, eh? Actually, police don't arrest the king.
Yes.
Just shut up. What? King was arrested.
Yes, the DPO gone now arrest him. That DPO for the station. Now he go arrest the king.
What are you talking about?
No, man, I don't need arrest him. I see
Shut up! CHIBOY, please take me to the station.
Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. ONYEMECHI, Imanechi Dimeo, to make you cool it down. Make you cool yo. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince, you the boss now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you don't slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which can prince you be this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself.
DPO, can you tell me why you are holding me here? What sort of humiliation is this? Are you aware that I'm the holder of a form? Are you aware of all this? Are you aware that I'm a government-recognized traditional ruler? You cannot be treating me less human. You cannot be treating me like a common criminal here. You are holding me against my wish. Are you aware?
Igwe, you have been accused of adoption and murder. And Igwe, you know how close you and I are. And that's the reason why I've been keeping calm. You see, you need to tell me the truth. Be sincere. Are you guilty of this accusation?
What sort of rubbish question is that? It's so demeaning to ask me such a question. If I'm guilty or not. I understand you.
I see. Nebechi, here is the king. You agreed that you actually wanted to wipe him out of this earth.
I wonder.
Yes, DPO.
And what are your reasons?
When I was 10 years old, this evil man came to my house to see my father. My father asked my mother and I to excuse him. As God may have it, where he's dropping and peeping, as if we already knew what he was going to do.
You're very naughty. See this out.
Don't mind her. Stop. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Come in.
What's wrong with
Good afternoon, sir.
His Majesty.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
Mr. Korafo,
Igwe.
can I speak to you in private?
It's okay. My dear. Please, you guys should.
Have you gone insane? How dare you call me on phone and threaten me? Have you lost it? Now listen, we committed this crime together. Don't ever think for a second that you're going to pull me down and walk scot-free. I swear by the gods, that will not happen.
Igwe, my heart is heavy. Each time I remember the crime we committed, it breaks my soul. I understand. So what do you want to do now? Igwe, I want to go and report myself to the police. Yes, so I can ease my heavy heart. You want to report yourself to the police? You want to report yourself to the police? Say possibly I want to do that with you. I am not at peace myself. When do you want to do that? Igwe, as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Okay. Call me when you are set. Because I want to set myself free from this bondage. I'm tired. Call me when you're set. We'll do that together. Enough of this madness. Igwe, I will do just that. Call me.
What crime did you commit with the Igwe?
I thought I asked you guys to leave. So you were eavesdropping.
I am asking you for the last time. What crime did you commit with the Igwe? Cause I heard all you said. I heard you saying you are going to the police station to make the confession. So tell me the crime you committed with the Igwe.
It's okay, I think I should let you know now. The Igwe has always been my friend. Years ago, he came to me. He told me he needed a son, an heir to his throne. Meanwhile, the wife was pregnant, carrying a baby girl. And there was another woman who was also pregnant in the same ward. She was carrying a baby boy. The queen gave birth to the baby girl, but she died. The woman's son survived. So the Igwe came to me and begged me to change the child. I have to change the boy for a girl and the girl for the boy. I gave Igwe the woman's son.
What? Oh no. Why? Why?
My heart is really pricking me right now. Honestly. I want to go and report myself to the police and also to the family. I need to make some confessions. I was overwhelmed with the 5 million naira he gave to me, with which I built this house. I'm sorry.
Daddy, why? Why? Why did you do it? You know that it's bad.
I'm sorry, my baby. I didn't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Why? Why? How could you sell your conscience for money? The same money you told me you were given by a white man you helped to procure an estate. Why?
My baby, please forgive. I'm sorry.
Who is there? Come in. Welcome, His Majesty.
Is your husband in? Fetch him.
Honey! Honey!
Yes, dear.
Dikeh is here.
Alright, I'm coming.
had a deal. And I paid you awesomely. I paid you a huge sum of money that helped you acquire this house. Now you think you want to run your mouth. You want me to allow you go to the police.
Please.
And bring my entire reign in this kingdom down?
Please.
No.
When this was not our initial...
Shut up!
Please don't kill my husband, please.
Shut up, woman! No, Kafo. I won't let you do that.
You killed my...
Shut up! Come here! Yes, I killed your basket mouth of a husband. Come here. Now listen. You want to die. Good. I will spare your life. But you need to promise me that you will keep it short. No, I don't trust you.
Nebechi Okorafo. The little girl I took to St. Mary's orphanage years back when I was still a junior police officer.
St. Mary's orphanage?
Yeah.
That was where she was before she came to work for us.
Yes. I where her parents were killed. And I took her to that St. Mary's orphanage. That was when I was still a junior officer.
But why didn't you take her to any of her relatives?
I took her to her relatives. But they rejected her. Calling her names. That she was a cursed child. So I was left with no other option than to take her to the orphanage.
This is sad. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Your Majesty, thank you so much. You're a good woman, and God will always bless you. The quest for revenge was what drove me to come seek for a job at the palace. This man is not worthy of a king and does not deserve a good woman like you as his wife. I'm sure by now he must have slept with all the maidens in the palace. Yes, because he made approaches to me severally, but I turned him down. No. Please tell me it's not true. Nduka, I can't believe this. You know what? I'm out of here. And you can rot in jail for all I care.
Dikeh, please, I want to see you in private.
Nduka, whatever you have to say, reserve it till we get to court.
Johnson, I have my dignity to maintain.
What reputation are you talking about? You're a murderer. You wiped away this poor girl's family. And you're talking about reputation. You will face the full wrath of the law.
Trouble anywhere you pass, people go to cry. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. I every day wahala. If you not slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which can prince be this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you dare live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. ONYEMECHI, Imanechi Dimeo, to make you cool it down. Make you cool it. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you don't slap, you go punch you.
Gabus, what is this right now? What did they play?
What really they happen? Eh? Everybody just come like saying they come on slow-mo. The queen, they cry. The prince squeeze face like sponge. The king, they don't arrest him. See, over this one past Olympus has fallen. No.
When you no go sack person now.
That's what they do. They see you now, they see sacking. But this, wait. You did there now.
No waiting person know you go talk.
People where you carry con, they everybody come back, madam they cry. Or God they squeeze face, you say you don't know.
I don't know.
You go know when you lose your job.
Oh no. How did it go at the station? What offense did our king commit?
It is a shame. A total mess. In fact, more than an abomination.
I don't understand. What happened?
First time in history, a king will perpetuate such an abominable act in Umuopu. Hi!
Oh no. I'm still in the dark. Please, enlighten me the more. Pico.
Our king is a murderer. Yes.
What offense did he commit?
He stole a child at birth from a certain family and connived with the worker in the hospital and made away with a male child. Now he killed the worker and his wife to cover up the secret. Huh?
What?
I'm still caught up in the shock.
Was that his confession?
There's an eyewitness.
Eyewitness? Who?
Nigerian, the palace head maid.
Are you serious? Now, where is that stolen child?
Prince Dozie.
Oh no, what a minute. If Dozie is the stolen child, that means it happened long time ago. How come Nigerian, the palace maid, witnessed the murder of the hospital worker and his wife? How?
The worker and the wife are Nebechi's parents. The confession was clear, but let me take it step by step.
Do.
On the day of delivery, our queen gave birth to a baby girl, and the king wasn't happy about it. Eventually, the baby died. And the king connived with a worker on duty and exchanged another man's child, a boy, without the queen's knowledge. When Nebechi's father decided to let the truth out, it became an issue between him and the king.
Now it's becoming clear. The image is becoming vividly clear.
However, the worker had a 10-year-old daughter who happens to be Nebechi. She witnessed a conversation with the king and how he bribed her father till the day King Nduka shot her father and her mother right before our eyes in cold blood.
our Igwe is indeed a heartless king.
Oh yes!
No be your job.
Now the king has been sentenced to life imprisonment. The throne is now empty. He had no son.
Yes.
No heir to the throne.
Which hair are you talking about? Which hair? Have you forgotten he forcefully took over that kingship? Which hair?
We all know that the situation in the palace, it's a grave one. It's imminent. And as a result, I will not be able to keep you all in the palace. I want to dismiss all of you. If situation changes, we know nothing is permanent in life. If situation changes, I will definitely call you all back. But for now, I need to pay your salaries, even though it's not end of the month, and enough to tide you over until you get another job. No, Agabus, you will stay back for now, please. I still need you around. But you can. Not to worry, let me keep it for you. I wouldn't want you wasting your money. Now, you all can go pack your belongings and be on your way.
Your Majesty, I be man. Tell me, what did they play? What did they happen?
You know, you were here when the king was arrested.
Yes.
He's been accused. A lot of allegations have been levied against him, and they said that
he killed somebody.
He did not say he killed somebody, Agabus.
Sorry.
You know what? Don't worry. Let me cry in peace. Here. Oh, I said I'll keep it for you. Just carry this, carry the swords.
All my life, I've lived with both of you as my parents. Just like a nightmare, I woke up to discover that I am a stolen child. Me. My biological parents, I don't even know.
I understand how you feel. You know, when I was pregnant, I went for a scan and they told me I was expecting a baby girl. So I was shocked when I gave birth to a son. But I figured it was the Lord's intervention. I didn't know.
I am going to look for my parents. What is the name of the hospital you delivered?
Federal Medical Hospital, Zwakali.
Thank you.
Go, boss.
Well, I want you boy anyhow. Wait, I will see changes. Oh.
Thank you, it's God.
The Brazilian you carry like this?
Yes. All thanks to him.
Senior man. As I see you are the fist man.
How are you?
We got too much. Adi.
How is the queen? Where is she?
The queen inside. Queen inside.
Okay. But everywhere seems dry. Why?
No be lie. Everywhere too dry. And I know say as I come now, I go make her wet. You see what really happen? Be say, police don't arrest the king. Police come here arrest king. It don't be small matter. So everybody get the way it day.
The king?
Yeah. Now once the queen say make everybody go. But of course, you don't say me I no fit go now.
Are you serious about this?
Yes.
Where is the queen now?
She there inside.
I got was called.
Forget this bicycle issue.
God.
When I'm this guy to load me. Senior man. God will bless you.
On. Please talk to me. Please.
The king.
The king has been arrested.
No.
Life imprisonment.
No! For what?
He murdered someone.
Please talk to me, please. It's okay. Please.
Chidozie is not my biological son. The king connived with some hospital officials, stole him from his parents.
Oh my goodness.
Just because he wanted an heir to the throne.
Oh my.
And my baby girl, they told me that my baby girl died, but who knows if they're telling the truth. I mean, if he could lie about Chidozie, why would I believe him?
I know.
Maybe she's somewhere out there. I would never know. It's heartbreaking.
Mommy, please. It's okay. I understand how you feel right now, but please.
I've lost everything.
Get yourself together. No, you haven't lost everything. Please.
How do I go on?
No, don't say that. Please.
I have nothing.
Please. I understand how you feel right now, but please, you have to put yourself together. Please. I don't want to see you like this.
Together for what? Together.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry. Please, don't cry. Don't. Please.
What have I done to you that made you turn your back? Tell me, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? Tell me, where did I go wrong that made you turn your back? I wanna know, what is my offense to you that made you turn your back? I have tried to make it work, but my best wasn't good enough. I have tried to make it work, but this love is going down day by day. I wanna know, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? Just tell me, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? I wanna know, where do I go wrong that made you turn your back? Tell me, what is my offense to you? Turn your back. Hey, where is the love around my life? Hey, where is the love that you promised me? Think of the memories we shared. Oh, I want you back. Come back to me. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, you shocked me. You shake my leg. Just one kiss, you dash me cap. This guy not change. Hey God, because of woman. You don't come me today. My God.
Quiet to yourself.
Please don't come.
The love when you then not be by power. Quiet to yourself. Say my brother, quiet to yourself. Quiet to yourself. The life where you then live not be by power. Quiet to yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is not until some people.
So the queen told me about this hospital. But I never knew that such things still exist. That someone will come and steal someone's child.
You said Igwe Nduka is your father?
Yes, but not my biological father.
Oh.
Yes. Like I said, I still want to know exactly what happened.
Well, never bother. We already have your date of birth. We will use that to go through the files. You know, it's quite a while. And we'll carry out a thorough investigation. And we will come up with something. But by the way, I think I can recall now. There was a report some time ago about the death of a child. Yes. However, never bother. Give us a couple of days. We'll go through all the files and make sure that something good comes up for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Doc. Thank you very much. I'll be most grateful. Thank you. Take my leave now.
Thank you.
I'll leave now.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is so cruel.
All my life I've battled with mixed feelings. But the truth is that I'm a product of another man.
Look at my man, sounding so mature.
I already made an inquiries in the hospital where I met an elderly gynecologist. And I explained the whole incident to him. He asked me to go and come back, that he will check on the file.
Okay, that's good. At least we have a lead. So we go home now, relax and be calm. Everything will be fine. I'm sure you'll find a biological parents. I'm sure.
Name, how can a king, Igwe as a whole, commit such a crime because he wants a son? Oh, Chimo, that is wickedness.
Pure wickedness, my dear. You say one thing about karma. It comes when you least expect it. My dear. Well, I feel for Nebeshi. She was just a little young girl when her father was murdered. And she knew it was the king that killed her father.
No.
So, she decided to get a job in the palace, having in mind to take a revenge. Even if she didn't succeed poisoning the king, if I happen to be that girl, Nebechi, I will strangle him to death. What sort of wickedness is that?
No, it's not in her bed.
I am just feeling her pains. I'm feeling her pains.
Because the king himself is a voodoo man. He wants a son, and he committed such an abomination. But the son will finally live to look for his parents.
As we are speaking right now, the palace, there is no single staff. Everyone has been discharged.
Are you serious? Okay, so how is Nebechi? Has she gone to prison?
No, my dear.
And then?
The commissioner of police already instructed the DPO.
Wow.
To free her.
Are you serious?
And they also gave her some amount of money.
Hey! Jesus. Are you serious?
It is well, my dear.
Wow. I feel for her.
I feel her pains. I would have used knife to plug out the eyes of the king.
Or burn himself.
What a wicked king.
Let's go, I beg.
I'm killing that king with my hand.
Doc, I greet you.
You're welcome.
So, what's up about the fire?
Oh, everything is intact.
Good, good.
Everything that you need is intact.
Okay, so what do we do now?
I think we can leave for Udoji's house. Yes.
Udoji's house?
Yes.
Okay, good.
My Benjamin, go and check who's at the door.
Okay, mine. Okay, mine. Who is there?
Thank you. Thank you. Come.
That's it.
Who am I seeing?
How
It's
are we
not
doing?
the Dr. Maxwell.
Yes, Dr. Maxwell.
It's a pleasure to see you.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Good, sir.
Yes, sit down.
You're welcome, sir.
You're welcome, Dr. Maxwell.
Thank you.
I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. All is well. All is well.
Because I can remember it looks like eternity we saw last, and that must be during the incidents at your hospital.
Yeah, that's true. I know it can be very emotional, but it's okay. I heard that eventually you were blessed with a set of twins. Oh, that's good. Even though I gathered too that you eventually removed your pregnant wife from my hospital and took her somewhere else. Huh?
Doctor, I never believed I lost my son in your hospital. You did a scan which clearly showed that my wife here was carrying a baby boy, which by miracle turned to a dead baby girl. It's incredible, Doctor.
Nani, please, Doctor, I don't want to remember the past. Please.
I can understand. I know this is highly emotional. I can understand. Okay, just take it easy. So where are they now? Are they schooling or they are married?
No, they are still undergraduates.
That's
Undergraduates.
Yes.
Lovely. Well, this young man you find seated by me, his name is Dozier. He came to see me in my office and actually narrated a pathetic story to me, very touching. And the story had to do with issues surrounding your wife's pregnancy. Yes. And I had to carry out some investigation. I went to the hospital, went through the records, went through her file, and I actually discovered that all that he told me is true. This man sitting down here, the records show that he's your son.
Doctor, come, I can't understand what.
What?
Hello, sir. Ma. I am happy to meet both of you. I am your son. I was taken away from you, from the hospital many years ago. King Nduka of Umobu Kingdom masterminded the whole thing. So since then, I started living with them as their son and as a prince of Umobu Kingdom. But one day, something happened. The queen had to tell me the hospital where the whole thing happened, which made me to go to the hospital, and I met with him. My name is Chidozie. I am your son.
God! God!
heart. My son.
Ma, how do I see my sisters? Which school are they?
They are at Federal College, Umuzi, studying English education.
Yes. I am just imagining how happy they will be, knowing they have a big brother like you. They will be so happy.
Indeed.
What are their names?
Chisom and Chisempe.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will give you their phone number.
No, it is better for us to call them to come here now, so that they will see their big brother.
Papa, that will be a waste of time. Why don't you go in, and you too, why don't you go in and get prepared? We are going to their school now.
Okay. I'm never ready.
Mama, we are prepared.
No problem. But I'm okay like this.
Mama, you're still sitting down. Go in and change.
Okay.
It's better. You better do it faster. Don't rub too much lipstick. It will take our time.
Papa, all these old trousers that you were wearing, I need to change them.
I'm very happy. My son.
That's old school.
Majesty, I came to pack my bag so I can leave. Please come. Come. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for what the king did to you. Please find it in your heart to forgive. Just wait. Give me a minute, okay?
Okay, welcome. How are you? Fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep.
Where are we?
Where are we? Yep. Your new home.
Oh. You rented this place for us?
No. All my hustle in Lagos, this is the end product. I'm
built this house with my hard-earned money.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me that you own this house?
No. I don't. We own this house. Yeah,
you have made me so proud.
I knew home. Inside, everything well furnished. The bedroom, lovely, fantastic.
It's been 6 months. Our king was sentenced to death. We should not fold our hands. Other communities have been getting things from the government. We must have to do something, if not urgently.
Igweship is not a thing you just appoint someone to hold. Yes. There are procedures to it. We have to invite other cabinet members, sit over it and talk. But since the government is aware that our Igwe is being detained, wouldn't they allow us to crown a new king immediately?
Yes, come to think of it. Which village is it their turn this time around? Since we made it rotational. Ugu village.
Ugu village what? Who is in Ugu village? The poorest village in Umuobu kingdom. How possible is that? You can't take it away from them. It is the tradition. And don't forget the fact that Nduka also stole the throne from them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
What have I done to you that made you turn your back? Tell me, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? Tell me, where did I go wrong? That made you turn your back. I wanna know, what is my offense to you that made you turn your back? I have tried to make it work, but my best wasn't good enough. I have tried to make it work, but this love is going down day by day. I wanna know, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? Just tell me, what have I done to you that made you turn your back? I wanna know, where do I go wrong that made you turn your back? Tell me, what is my offense to you turn your back? Hey, where is the lover of my life? Hey, where is the love that you promised me? Think of the memories we shared. Oh, I want you back.